I've worked at PressOn for about 6 years now. My first taste of PressOn and the print world, I was actually 15 when I did my work experience here. The best thing about working in PressOn is probably us as a team down there on the factory floor. We work really well together, we're friends inside and outside of work, and it's good to know that when you're up against it, you've got a good team behind you.
I've moved around the company. I've started my career as a print finisher. That involves hand cutting, laminating, operating various machines, and packing duties. And now I'm a printer. What makes it good at PressOn is just smashing all the deadlines out of the park. You know, it's achievement on its own.
I run the Kongsberg, which is the cutting machine at PressOn. So when I first started here, I started off in hand finishing, and then when we got the Kongsberg, I moved over to here and get trained up on this, and I've been doing that ever since. We don't do a lot of the same thing over and over again, so when we get a job in that's really bespoke, that's different to anything we've done before, it's a bit exciting, so it gives us something different to work on.
One of the main factors, I think, is the support we need in the sense of up-to-date equipment, all the way from the Macs down to the printing presses and colour management, which obviously helps getting the final product to a standard that we need it to be.
I don't have a specifically favourite project, I don't think, but I think if you had to look at the ones that give you the most rewarding, it's the ones that have the most impact.
It really is a PressOn family. Some of them have been here 16 years, so we've seen them, grow up, get married, have children, and we all try and meet socially. You would see our printed graphics literally everywhere, from construction sites to shops, shopping centres, office interiors, restaurants, and then on vehicles such as black taxis, truck sides, and even the fastest land vehicle in the world, the Bloodhound.
Best part of my job is I get to work with some amazing brands, and I also work with a great team. If it wasn't for the team that I work with, I wouldn't be able to perhaps carry out the role to the best of my abilities.
The best thing about working at PressOn is having the flexibility to work and being part of a really good team. Along with having the trust from Andy and Nigel to get on with my job, makes it feel like this is actually my company as well.